Imagine sliding into a cabin that feels like a futuristic lounge, then unleashing effortless power with the tap of your right foot. That's the magic of the 2025 Audi A6 e-tron, Audi's newest electric luxury sedan that blends sportback flair with sedan comfort. Picture this: a swooping roofline that flows into a hatchback trunk, sleek daytime running lights that glow like a high-tech heartbeat, and a drag coefficient of just 0.21, making it one of the most aerodynamic cars on the road. But this isn't just about looks. Under the sculpted hood, the A6 e-tron is primed to rewrite what you thought possible from an EV. At its heart lies a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack, 94.4 kilowatt-hours of it usable, that fuels different powertrains tailored to your driving style. In the base rear-wheel drive model, 375 horsepower and 428 pound-feet of torque send you from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a brisk 5.2 seconds, while offering an EPA-rated 370 miles of range. Opt for the legendary Quattro all-wheel drive setup and you'll get 456 horsepower, a 0 to 60 zap in 4.3 seconds, and about 377 miles between charges. But for adrenaline junkies, the S6 e-tron is the showstopper. 543 horsepower, a mind-blowing 3.7 second sprint to 60, and still a respectable 324 mile range. Whether you're gliding down the freeway or darting through canyon curves, adaptive air suspension and precise steering make each mile feel planted and poised. Recharging feels almost as fast as the acceleration, thanks to an 800-volt architecture and a 270 kilowatt max charging speed. You can go from 10% to 80% in about 21 minutes. That's barely time for a coffee break at a fast charger station. On home power, the A6 e-tron's dual-mode onboard charger takes you from empty to full overnight, adding up to 11 kilowatts on an AC source. Built-in trip planning factors in elevation, weather, and traffic, so range anxiety becomes a thing of the past. Step inside and the tech wizardry continues. A towering 14.5-inch MMI touchscreen, powered by Android Automotive OS, sits front and center, complete with Google Maps, Assistant, and over-the-air updates to keep your software fresh. If you like to share the drive, an optional 10.9-inch passenger display lets your co-pilot stream video or plot the next waypoint. Below, a slender digital instrument cluster keeps your eyes on speed, charge level, and energy flow. For audiophiles, the available Bang Olufsen 20-speaker sound system transforms the cabin into a mini concert hall, complete with 3-dimensional sound and immersive clarity. Safety, of course, is non-negotiable. The A6 e-tron packs adaptive cruise control with steering support, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and 360-degree parking sensors to ease every maneuver. Its anticipated IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus rating reflects Audi's commitment to protecting you and your passengers. Even the panoramic glass roof features adjustable opacity, so you can dial in the perfect amount of sunlight or shade at the touch of a button. And because every detail matters, cabin materials use recycled fabrics and premium finishes. Proof that sustainability can live alongside luxury. All this innovation comes at a premium, but Audi has positioned the A6 e-tron to compete fiercely. The base premium RWD starts at $67,195, the Quattro AWD at $69,195, and the S6 e-tron at $79,995, all before destination fees and taxes. Premium Plus and Prestige trims add features like adaptive air suspension, enhanced lighting, and upscale upholstery for a few thousand more. Pre-orders opened in late 2024, and US deliveries kick off in summer 2025. Whether you're upgrading your daily driver or seeking an eco-friendly executive cruiser, there's an A6 e-tron tailored to your taste. In its class, the A6 e-tron stacks up impressively. The BMW i5 starts around $67,100 with a 295-mile range and a 4.3-second 0 to 60 time in the M60, but it can't match Audi's aerodynamic efficiency or top-end charging speed. The Mercedes-Benz EQE begins at $74,900 for 302 miles of range and smooth ride comfort, yet its styling and hatchback practicality can't top the A6's Sportback silhouette. Tesla's Model S commands $82,000 and delivers a staggering 402 miles on a charge, though some find its minimalist cabin less intuitive than Audi's sophisticated interface. The Lucid Air offers up to 420 miles at $71,400, but it carries a premium price and a bulkier profile. Against these rivals, the A6 e-tron shines with its blend of top-tier range, up to 392 miles with the Ultra package, blistering performance, and everyday usability. usability. Of course, no car is perfect. Some drivers find Audi's touchscreen-centric controls a bit distracting compared to physical knobs. And while the A6 e-tron's roofline gives it timeless elegance, it does slightly reduce rear headroom compared to boxier sedans. Yet for many, these are small trade-offs for a vehicle that feels as luxurious as it is eco-conscious, as fast as it is refined. By the time you pull into your driveway, the 2025 Audi A6 e-tron has already shown why it's more than an EV. It's a vision of the future, a vision where performance doesn't cost the earth, where luxury can be sustainable, and where every drive leaves you smiling. If you're ready to embrace electric power without compromise, the A6 e-tron is your passport to tomorrow's roads. Let us know what you think. Would you choose this high-tech Sportback over its rivals? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest rides reshaping how we drive.